In 2022, X-Grades launched Lixel L1, the world's first mobile SLAM scanner with real-time onboard processing, allowing us to scan what we see, pioneering the era of real-time processing in SLAM. Now, X-Grids brings real-time processing to new heights. Introducing Lixel L2 Pro. Enhanced multi-sensor algorithms unleashing hardware performance. Combined with spatial AI, L2 Pro's real-time point cloud accuracy and color rendering reach the quality of post-processed data of previous generations, ready for mapping and modeling after scanning. X-Grids leads the way into zero post-processing SLAM era, pairing our high-precision RTK. L2 Pro outputs geo-referenced data in real time with absolute accuracy up to 3 centimeters. The upgraded Lixel Go app provides instant accuracy reports. With accessories like the carrying system and extension pole, it helps you handle complex environments effortlessly. No external camera is needed to acquire high-quality point clouds in real time. Lixel Cyber Color output from the same scan. Can data quality be improved even further?
Yes, Lixel L2 Pro, paired with the upgraded Lixel Studio 3.0, brings even more refined point cloud data. The exclusive LixoUp sample point cloud enhancement algorithm increases point cloud density and structural details with 5mm point cloud thickness and 1mm point intervals, achieving 1 million points per square meter point density. Combined with ultra-high coloring precision, every detail in the true color point clouds can be vividly presented, bringing unparalleled scene expressiveness. Meanwhile, Lixel Studio 3.0 expands support for mainstream formats like LAS and PLY, improving processing efficiency significantly. It supports one-click refined project processing, map fusion, point cloud overlay, measurement, clipping, registration, denoising, and other functions. Industry plugins like volume measurement and auto mesh generation, making it more powerful and intelligent. L2 Pro, Lixel Studio, and LCC work seamlessly together, creating a smart 3D ecosystem from data capture to model creation, driving a productivity revolution in the era of spatial computing.